Take the bait. Unraveling the meaning. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, take the bait. This phrase is widely used in both casual and formal conversations. So, if you're eager to enhance your English understanding and usage, you're in the right place. Let's dive into what it means to take the bait. Take the bait is a phrase that originates from fishing. In fishing, bait is something that's used to attract fish, often leading them into a trap or onto a hook. In a broader context, when someone takes the bait, it means they have fallen for a trick or been lured into a trap. This can be in the form of an argument, a deception, or any situation where someone is enticed into a response or action. To help you better understand, let's look at some everyday examples. 1. In a debate. Imagine a political debate where one candidate tries to provoke the other with misleading statements. If the opponent responds angrily, they have taken the bait. 2. In advertising. Sometimes, advertisements use sensational or controversial statements to grab attention. When consumers react strongly to these ads, they are essentially taking the bait. 3. Social media. On social media, trolls often post controversial or offensive comments. When other users respond with anger or frustration, they have taken the bait of the troll. Using "take the bait" in your conversations can be quite simple. Here are a few tips. In arguments, when discussing heated topics, if someone is trying to provoke you, you might say, "I'm not going to take the bait." Observing situations. If you see someone being tricked or lured into a trap, you might comment, "Oh, looks like they've taken the bait." Remember, understanding phrases like "take the bait" can add depth to your language skills and help you better navigate English conversations. I hope this video has been insightful and helps you feel more confident in using and understanding this phrase. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.